So if you watched the last video, you will know that we identified a burst in a CV boot. So today I got some replacement in a CV boot. So I got this at NASCAR in Silverton. It's not too bad in terms of price actually. So this kit comes with the inner CV boot. There is the CV boot grease, and then it's got the clamps. So yeah. So after yesterday's failed attempt, I decided to wake up this morning and get myself a breaker bar. So I got this breaker bar. I mean, the nut on the CV is very tight, so that should help. And I also got a torque wrench, so we're gonna need to torque it to specification soon after we're done. The last thing that I want is for the whole thing to go loose after I'm done with the job. So anyway, I'm gonna set you up on the tripod and then I will start breaking loose the bolt. So I did spray it overnight with some penetrating oil, so it should be a bit better today. So hopefully we win. Fingers crossed. So yeah, let's get to it. It's been a couple of hours. I've been trying to break the tension on the bolts unsuccessfully until now. So I actually called up my dad and then he gave me some advice. So basically, since I don't have an insert gun, I need to find a way to shock the bolt. So I think it's a bit rusted inside. So what I did was I tapped it with a hammer and I sprayed the penetrating oil and then did a wiggle dance on it till it came out. So what I'm gonna do is, I haven't done the left side. I'm gonna do the left side just now, and then hopefully you guys can see how it should complete. Penetrating oil. So I'm just gonna give it a couple of more taps. Let's try this. There we go. Just like so, we're now already set. It's like light, and then we'll be able to see what is happening there. Okay, before I take anything out, let me show you guys again in case you missed the last video. So this is what happened. See all the grease by the side, so that boot is torn, kicked out all the grease. And then what we're gonna need to do is take out these bolts at the back. So I think it's about 6 of them, 10mm triple squares, and then obviously the whole CV is gonna be out. Then we can work from there. So it's been an hour or so. I've been trying to crack loose of those bolts at the back right there, but then the problem was this whole section was moving on the inside, so it took me a while to actually figure out I needed to put this bolt in to hold it in place, so when you hold the brakes nothing moves. So now My extension is not long enough, but I managed to take out the one ball from here, and then cut them from this side, so they're all out of the one left at the moment. I'm gonna get to that, and then I'm gonna attempt the other side. Now that side is gonna be a little bit different because we don't have this space, but I'm gonna attempt and see. If I fail, then I'm probably gonna need to find my way to the hardware store and get another extension. Right hand side, I've taken out a couple of bolts. I think we'll have to like 2 more. So I thought I'd let you guys in on how I managed to save the day. So, this is my long extension and 2 short ones combined to my breaker one, so it's flexible. So that is what is allowing us to be able to cut the loose. So we're gonna set the socket in. And then like this. Just hold the brake. Okay. Then that is it. Should be enough to crack. That's it. Just like that. Let go of the brake. Okay, so I can rotate it just one more time up to there. That's it. We can give it a little bit of some brake cleaner just to clean it up inside there. Okay, I don't think that is making much of a difference, but anyway, for what it's worth. Now we're gonna give it another shot. Let's go in there. That's it. Alright. Okay. I think I will need to bring it up. Okay, please hold the brakes. Okay. This is the last one. Oh, there she comes. Alright. And just like that, receive it loose. And here is our bolt right here. Come on, buddy. Alright, now give it a nice wipe. Nice wipe. I will try to wash this hardware. We'll put it back in. So now that is done, I think now we can tackle trying to get it out. Okay, so what feels like a decade, we done taking out both axles. So what made the driver side more complicated is there's not enough clearance. So I literally tried every single trick in the book besides disconnecting the up control arm. So that's the only thing that actually got me to win. To show you, I had to disconnect those 2 upper control arms from this right here. This is a long process, eh? Unfortunately, I couldn't manage to document everything. My battery is already low, but I managed to separate this tripod from this end. So I've cleaned it up with brake cleaner. I've cleaned this with brake cleaner as well. I'm gonna slide in the new boot and then put back the C-clamp, and then after that slide this tripod back on, and then grease it up, and then add some grease into the boot, tighten the boot, and then I should be able to put it back driver's side is done. New boot installed, all greased up, clamps are tightened. It's ready to go back on the car. However, the passenger side, we might need to get another CV joint tomorrow. But for now, might as well finish up with the difficult side and put this baby in. Then we can call it a night. The next day, we are done with the right hand side. Everything is back in, control arms are in. I just need to tighten the brake at the back, and pretty much that's it on this side. However, I managed to get a CV joint for the left side at Goldbachen, so now I'm gonna be busy with that side. Boot through. Let's grease it up. Everything is done. We've put everything back together. The car is on the ground. Now we're going to torque the CV bolt to spec, and then we should be good for a test drive. Okay, so this concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching. This is Z from FFW Motorsport signing out. See you guys in the next one for sure. Right.
You're doing it right. Everybody will be dancing on the feeling alright. Everybody will be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing and we're feeling it right. Everybody will be dancing and be doing it right. Everybody will be dancing on the feeling alright.